Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Plutonium. First, head over to the official Plutonium website and download their dedicated launcher. It's a small file, usually under 10 megabytes. Before you do that, make sure you have a legitimate, fully installed copy of the base Call of Duty game you wish to play, like Black Ops 2 or Modern Warfare 3. Once downloaded, run the launcher and let it automatically fetch any required game files, which might be several gigabytes, depending on the game. After the launcher is set up, you'll see a selection of Call of Duty titles available. Choose the specific game you want to play, for example, Black Ops 2. The launcher will then handle the entire installation or update process for you, ensuring all necessary modifications and files are in place. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to over an hour, depending on your internet speed and the size of the update. Always verify the game files afterward to prevent any issues. Once your game is installed and updated, simply click the play button within the Plutonium launcher. This will launch the game directly into the Plutonium client. From there, you'll find a server browser where you can see hundreds of active games. You can easily filter these servers by game mode, such as Team Deathmatch or Zombies, by ping to ensure a smooth connection, and by player count to find a full or less crowded match. Pick one that suits your preference. Plutonium offers a vibrant community and often features custom game modes and content not found in the original games. Don't hesitate to explore these unique offerings. For any questions, technical support, or to stay updated on the latest news, I highly recommend joining the official Plutonium Discord server. It's a great resource with thousands of active members. Always remember to familiarize yourself with the platform's rules and guidelines to ensure a positive experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.